Iraj Khizra, Mohammad Hassan, Shahir Ahmed Mirani. Everyone is here. Good to see you guys. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my SMPNs of class 5. Yes. So, and very good morning. And guys, happy Ramzanul Mubarak, the beautiful, the one of the most beautiful months in the year. And we are blessed by Allah Almighty to have it. So guys, good to see you in the morning. Yes, Ramzan Mubarak beta, Shahir. So, should we start our lecture? Okay. So I'm going to share the screen. Okay. Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome all of you, my SMPNs of Campus 5 in my English class. And today we are having our English class, English language class, sorry, because we are having something that will be needed to review more and more comprehension, okay? So today, everyone Ramzan Mubarak, I told Shahir, Amna Sham, Malahim, very good beta. Thank you. So we will review today passive voices. And as you know, we have done all the passive voices that are included in your syllabus. That means all indefinites, present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite passive voices. So I made for your revision or for your reminding, I made a lecture of all passive voices together so that you will be comprehended. You will be understood easily. So guys, active voice. What are active voices? Actually, active voice is a tense. And what is tense? Tense tells time. Yes, Nabila Ramzan Mubarak beta. Very good. So guys, active voice. Tell us what a person or thing does. What a person or thing does means it tells the time of an action or performance. The action you are doing, you do every time, or you will do. Okay? So, tell us time or what a person or thing does. The subject performs the action. Action, what is action? Action means verb on the object. For example, if you say, I go to school, you are doing an action on the object. Which object? The school. Like if I say, I ate an apple, means my action is eating. That occurred in past, and on what did I do the action? The object is very good, Hamna Asaf. Very nice message, beta. Have blessed. Okay. So, active voice actually is a tense. What you have learned: present indefinite, present continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, future indefinite, and future continuous. The simplest formula of active voice is subject, verb, object. We are not talking about the which kind of tense we are writing here. Just the formula or structure of tense is subject, the person, the verb doer, The person who does or do the action. Verb, an action, what you are doing, what you have done, what you will do, and the object, the simple formula. For example, Anna painted the house. The teacher always answers the student's question. Ali posted the video online. The first sentence is past, the second sentence is present, and the third one again, past. Now, what is a passive voice? So, passive voice, wait a minute. Tell us what is done to someone or something. Means by passive voice, the meaning of the sentence will remain the same. The tense of the sentence will remain the same, but the way of writing or speaking will be changed. I told you in the class that passive voice beautifies our sentence, our content, what we are going to do, what we are writing. We can beautify our content, we can beautify our sentence. Now, the simplest formula of passive voice is object plus verb and subject. Here is the most important thing that you should remember, that in passive voice, we always use V3, means present past participle, third form of verb. Without third form of verb, we cannot or we do not make a passive voice. Each and every passive voice is having V3. Okay? And subject will become object and object will become subject. The second most important thing, that is to have by. Okay, Ilsa? We will write or we write always by in the sentence. Means object, verb, subject, the simplest formula. But we will add here object plus helping verb and plus V3 plus by. I will explain later. So in passive voice, actually we use two verbs. One is auxiliary verb and the second verb is the main verb. So in passive voice, usually or particularly, we use two verbs. For example, Anna painted a house, but in passive, how will we write? The house was painted by Anna. So the meaning of the sentence is remain the same. Anna painted the house, but it will be beautified when we write in passive voice. The house was painted by Anna. Here, the object was the house here. So here it becomes subject, the house. And according to the subject, we write auxiliary or helping verb according to the subject. So was, one singular for singular we are using here was. Why was? Because the sentence was past indefinite. Anna painted a house. That's why we use here was. If I write Anna paints a house or the house, so you will write the house is painted. But in both cases, we use V3. Okay? By Anna. Means without V3, we do not change passive voice. The teacher answers the student's question. The student's questions are answered by the teacher. Here, you need to remember that which tense your sentence belong. The teacher answers the student's question is the tense of present indefinite. The sentence of present indefinite. So we write here students' questions. Questions are plural. So we use here are. The students' questions are answered. Again here V3. Okay, by the teacher. The subject becomes object. Like Ali posted the video online. The video was posted online by Ali. Okay, are you getting it? If you have any query, you can write in chat box. Okay, Shahir, very good. What very good? Okay, now. So, present indefinite tense, as we have done present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite. Active and passive voice. Like I have given here an example, active form. The professor teaches, because we write S or ES with verb according to the subject. When the subject is third person singular, I told you many times in the class as well as in online classes, virtual classes. So here the professor is singular. So we write here teaches the students. And the passive voice will be the students are taught by the professor. Yes, beta Ilsa, what happened, my dear? Okay. I have given the access of unmute. Unmute yourself.
Miss,
Okay, Shahir, I am telling you again. Yes, Ilsa?
are we going to do any work?
I'm not getting your voice, my dear. Ilsa, hurry
Miss,
up.
can you
I'm
hear me
waiting for
now?
you, my dear.
Miss, can you hear me now?
Okay, Shahir, what do you want to understand, beta? Shahir, do you want to ask anything? I have given the access of unmute. Unmute yourself and
Miss,
ask me.
Miss, I want to understand passive voice.
Yes, I'm making you understand once more.
Okay.
Yes, we have to do any work, beta, Ilsa, Tansir. Yes, Muniba. Yes, Muniba, ask. I have given the access of unmute. Please unmute yourself and ask me, Muniba.
Assalamu alaikum, Miss.
Muniba.
Miss, assalamu alaikum.
So, for, yes, for Shahir Mirani, yes, I tell you again. Active voice means the tenses that we have learnt already. Means present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, future indefinite tense. Whereas the passive voice is my stop walking. Please sit down. Sit down, my dear. Where the passive voice is the form of tenses, we write the same meaning but in another way, but in a beautiful way. And from active to passive, we have some rules. I will explain you and I will make you write. Means subject becomes object plus verb. And we need two verbs in passive voice. One is auxiliary verb and one is main verb. Plus by plus subject means the simplest formula is to learn that object, verb, and subject. Means Anna paints a house and Anna painted a house. The house was painted by Anna. In this sentence, which is the object? Can you identify the object? Anna painted the house. Here, the house is the object. Verb painted V2, Anna is a subject. So the house will become the object. The house was painted by Anna. Okay. So the house was painted by Anna. Okay. The teacher always answers the student's question. So the student question are answered by the teacher. Ali posted the video online. Here in this sentence, the video is the object, the video. The video is an object of this sentence. So the video was posted by Ali online, or the video was posted online by Ali. Okay? Now, here, in this sentence, present indefinite, if we talk about present indefinite tense, active and passive voice. Active voice, the professor teaches the students. Here, the professor is a subject, teaches is a verb, and the students are object. So, the object will become the subject. The students are taught. Taught why? Because we always use V3 by the professor. Professor is the subject, it will become object. Okay? So, now past indefinite tense. If we talk about past indefinite tense, active voice. Wild penguins attacked my sister. Wild penguin attacked my sister. Here, wild penguins are the object. Attacked is verb. My sister is object. So in passive voice, my sister, object will become subject. My sister was attacked by wild penguin. Means the subject will become the object with having two verbs are here, was and attacked. Was is an auxiliary verb, whereas attacked is V3. Okay, so this is past indefinite tense. Now we are talking about future indefinite tense now. Active subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. So, if we talk about passive voice, object will be subject plus will shall plus be. Here we use be because we do not write V3 with will or shall. That's why we add here be plus verb past participle. Verb past participle means V3. V3 is the other name, another name is past participle. Plus by plus object. My parents will take us to the park. Now, will us. My parents will take us. Now the object not here park, but us. So us will be changed into we. We will be taken to the park by our parents or my parents. Here is written our parents. My parents will take us to the park. So we use here the park. The park will be taken as by my parents, but here good to write we will be taken to the park by our parents means subject will be V3. Here we are using two verbs, will and taken. Will is an auxiliary verb and taken V3. Means in any condition of passive voice, we use auxiliary verb and V3 necessary. Without auxiliary verb and V3, we cannot change or we cannot make passive voice, right? Now, take out your language copy. Now, please take out your language copy and maintain the index. Everyone. Okay, Muniba Yasser. Nabira. Nabira, are you writing in your English language copy? Please maintain your index. Review of passive voices. Yes. Yes, Muniba. I've given the access of unmute. Please unmute yourself. Yes. Muniba.
Assalamu alaikum, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Zunaira को भेजे जरा आवाज क्यों नहीं? Yes, Muniba. Are you asking something?
Yes, Miss. No, Miss.
उनकी आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही है मुझ तक? बच्चों की मेरी आवाज तो जा रही है। नहीं ओके क्या करूं? नहीं म्यूट
Miss, I was
Hamna,
saying that my index
I have
is
given you
finished.
access of unmute. Please unmute yourself and ask me something.
Miss, I was saying
Hamna
that.
Saab.
Can you hear me? Miss, I was saying that my index is finished and where to write it.
इसमें तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। नहीं इसमें हाँ 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 Okay, beta, if you want to ask anything, please write in chat box, please. Muniba Yasir and Shahir Ahmed Mirani. Yes, my dear Shahir Ahmed, this is very important to do this work. Yes, you mean work, I can understand. So do it right now. This is your class work. You have done already, I know, but this is your review. You will make the title page of review of passive voice and do it. Shazeb, are you doing your work? Write in chat box, please, and show me your copy. Okay, review of passive voices. No, Miss Sarwat. Okay.
Yes, Miss. Excuse me, Miss. Excuse me, Miss. बता मुझे होस्ट बना दिया Miss, sorry in this meeting. Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Now, मेरी पता नहीं स्क्रीन तो शेयर हो रही है. It's not showing. नहीं यार स्क्रीन तो शेयर हो रही है. देखो स्टॉप शेयरिंग. यू आर शेयरिंग स्क्रीन. तो फिर क्यों नहीं आ रही? Okay, are you getting me? Please
Yes,
write in
miss.
chat box. Are you getting me? Raise up your hands. I'm showing the work, beta. Yes,
miss. Do we have
Israel
to
is
write?
listening me. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Now, Amna, Sham, what do you want to ask? Yes, Amna, can you listen my voice?
मिस मेरी आवाज आ रही है? मिस मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes. Yes, everyone is, it's Filipino. Okay. Okay, my dear.
मिस मेरी आवाज आ
So,
रही है?
please, present indefinite tense, we will write on the red line with date, structure, right? We will write the structure of active voice. Okay. So, structure active voice, subject plus V1, S or ES plus object. This is the structure of present indefinite tense. And now in passive voice, object will become subject, means we will write here object, plus is MR, plus V3, plus by, plus subject. And I made you write, if you have remembered, and you can see it on the page that I have made you write, sorry. I becomes me, you becomes you, we, us, he, him, she, her, they, them. Okay? So, object plus is MR plus V3 plus by plus subject. Now, example, I have written, guys, one example. And here I have given the blank space. It means you will write one more sentence of active and then change into passive. Just one more. Okay? So he writes a letter. A letter is written by him. He becomes him. I made you write all these things.
Yes, miss.
Okay? Now you will write one more sentence. Now past indefinite tense. Structure active. Subject plus V2 plus object. And passive. Object plus was, were, plus V3 plus by plus subject. Was, were will be used according to the object. He wrote a letter. A letter was written by him. And here also you will write one more sentence of active and then you will change into passive. And always you will write in the margin line active and passive. Okay?
Miss, excuse me,
Past
ma'am.
indefinite tense. Now, future indefinite tense. A structure of active, subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Sidra, what
Miss,
are
can you
you
please
doing,
show the
beta?
present
And
indefinite
object
tense?
plus will be plus V3 plus by plus subject. I have written here again one example and you need to write one more example with active and passive. He will write a letter. A letter will be written by him. Will be. Because we do not write V3 with will or shall. So we write here will be. We need to add here be. Will be written means will be V3. Okay? So object plus will be plus V3 plus by plus subject. He will write a letter. A letter will be written by him. Okay. Okay, Nabira, where are you?
Past indefinite tense.
Yes, Nabira, unmute. I have given the access of unmute. Please unmute yourself. What happened? Nabira, what happened to you? Nabira, I have given. There is some internet problem. So we are here again. I'm sharing again the screen. Okay. So we were here. Yes. Okay, I'm showing you. Wait. Yes, this is present indefinite tense structure of active subject plus V1 SUS plus object and passive object plus helping verb that are is, am, are according to the object plus V3 plus by plus subject. I have written one example just. You need to write one more examples active and then change into passive. He writes a letter. A letter is written by him. Like you can write, what to write? I give him my book. My book is given by him. Yes, beta. Elsa. Okay, I am showing you present indefinite tense, my darling. I'm showing you present indefinite tense. Here you go, present indefinite tense. Can you see? Okay. Afsa Nawal, you can see on the screen, beta, present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense, now past indefinite tense. Structure, every page should be dated. And you need to write one more sentence of active, then you will change into passive. Now he wrote a letter. A letter was written by him. I gave my book to him. A book is given, oh sorry, my book was given him by me. You made lots of
Miss, can you please
sentences
show the
in the class.
future indefinite tense? The structure
I
of
bought
future indefinite.
a camera. A camera was bought by me. Okay, this is past.
Excuse me, miss. अच्छा मैं unmute हूँ. Excuse me, miss.
Okay, beta. Sorry. Okay, okay. My Maham Mujtaba, very, very Ramzan Mubarak. Very good. Thank you, Maham. Okay, I'm showing you feature right now. I'm showing you future indefinite tense. Maham, can you see on the screen, beta? He will write a letter will be written by him.
Miss, can you please show it last time?
Yes, future, indefinite tense. Okay, okay.
Minute.
Taha, please write first future, then I will show you past. Okay? And always you write active and passive in the margin. Today I'll give you the homework of learning, right? Ayan, what happened? Unmute yourself, Ayan Hussain.
Miss, you don't give the written word.
Yes, Muniba. Unmute yourself, beta.
Miss, please show me the past indefinite tense.
Okay. Past. Okay, I'm showing you past. This is past. Structure active, subject plus V2 plus object, passive, object plus was or were. If the object will be plural, we use were. Like, my sister and I were going to the market. Or, my sister and I, yes, were buying clothes. So, clothes were, oh, sorry. My sister and I bought some clothes. So some clothes were bought by me and my sister.